Fireworks or firing squads? Freedom. As men lay back from weary pride, their creation, nature's response. I give you a key, thou cannot hide. Men retreat, fearful at once. The first key could light up the skies, or slaughter an army cold. A black powder, a grainy solution. Though new keys are found, nature doesn't lie. My keys are never old. Merrily thou falls from thy heroic name to lust and hatred and greed. Take thy broken moral and play my game. I'll gladly plant the seed. Science doesn't provide the way, just a solution to the path we choose to take. The politicians in power have so much to say, exploiting nature in hopes to sell. A key to the public that opens on this day the doors to heaven and hell. But which door opens? Well, the one fed by human response. A key opens both. Men all tell. Fireworks or firing squads. Fearful at once.